Resident doctors are continuing with their stir over delay in NEET PG counselling, and for the second day, doctors are likely to protest outside Health Ministry. In fact, despite another round of talks with Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya, there is no breakthrough yet. Doctors have claimed that the delay in the counselling process, delays of induction of new doctors and delay in ease of the tremendous work pressure they are facing continuously. In fact, remember, the strike is underway amid rise in Omicron cases in the country. In fact, let me go across to our correspondent Alok Singh, who is covering this story extensively for us. Alok, good morning. Yesterday, we saw high drama unfolded on the streets of Delhi with the doctors headed to Health Ministry. Even there was an unsuccessful meeting that was held between the doctors and Mansukh Mandaviya. What are we expecting today? What are the doctors planning to do?
See, Gauri, good morning first. But if you see the doctors' strike, definitely our health infrastructure is going to be stretched if the doctors keep doing this kind of protest. Remember, thousands of doctors yesterday were on the streets demanding the PG counselling. They want the PG counselling to be expedited as soon as possible. Remember, the matter is stuck in court, and the government is saying that they are considering the Supreme Court decision, but the doctors, the resident doctors, are saying that at least the government can expedite the process of NEET PG counselling. So that is why they are protesting for past 1 month. Remember, they have resumed their strike after suspending 1 week of their protest because they wanted to give the time to the government. But when nothing was happened in that 1 week, then they resumed their protest. The first 2 days, they held their protest in their hospitals, Delhi's big hospitals like Safdarjung, like Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital, and also Lady Hardinge Hospital. But when the government did not consider their demand and only given them the assurances, verbal assurances, then they found out that nothing is happening. Then they came on the street. So yesterday they gherao Nirman Bhavan, where the Health Ministry office is located, and in fact, at the same time in the afternoon hours, they managed to meet the Union Health Minister as well. But the meeting was completely inconclusive. Then later in the evening, they announced that their protest and their strike will continue. Remember, because of the doctors' strike, there are a lot of patients who are coming to the OPDs at various hospitals. They are going back disappointed. So definitely the health infrastructure is already, there is a shortage of staff in the hospitals. But if these kinds of doctors, those who are the regular member of the OPDs, and they are not coming for their work, but definitely the common man will bear the brunt. Back to you.
Right, Alok Singh, thank you so much for sharing all those details with us. In fact, we will be getting our viewers all the updates as they happen on this big story that we are tracking from day one, and that is, of course, the resident doctor strike in the national capital.